Hi there, this is Eric from Lally Luck Farm, and if you're watching this, it's possible you've gotten a plant called Comfrey from us. It's possible you've gotten it from someone else, but I'm making this video and sharing it with our customers. So this is our Comfrey. You can see a couple of different types of bumblebees, solitary bees. As your plant matures and goes through its flower, you'll notice these guys right here. These spikes on your right are spent flowers and will no longer produce any pollen or nectar for your bees. The flowers that are active will look like these bells here, and then the ones that are about to be blooming will look like those here. Once you've hit this point on your plant, what we like to do is come in and we will take our foot and step everything over, just like that. You can hear those slight crunches. That's okay. What we are doing is breaking the stems just a bit. We're not completely severing them, but we are breaking them a bit. And what this is going to do is allow the rest of those flowers to bloom so that we can continue feeding the bees through this part of the season. But because of the stepping over, this plant is now going to send up a whole new set of these spikes of leaves and flower stems right from the base here. And this will also help to push it back a little bit as far as its growth habit. You can also cut it right at the base here. So right about here, you could just cut everything and throw it into your compost or feed it to your chickens or ducks. Rabbits, in my experience, don't like too much of it. It is not great for internal consumption for people, and our rabbits don't seem to like it too much either. But the chickens and the ducks absolutely adore this. You can also use it as a green mulch and just cover up parts of your lawn or parts of your garden that have species that you are trying to lessen the presence of. So that's Comfrey, specifically Barking 14, Symphytum X Uplandicum. And we hope you enjoy your plants. Till next time, thanks for watching. Happy planting.